So how many bikes would come through the doors on a normal day through the workshop, roughly?
I reckon probably half a dozen.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we've got
Wow.
you know, different bikes that we work on during the day.
Yeah, and some of them might just be a flat tyre, and some of them will be more serious.
Some are flat tyre, and some end up with coming in to get the frame repainted or whatever. Yeah, every single thing that comes in the doors is different, you know.
Ta-da! So that's ready to pop on the beat now, isn't it?
Yep.
What are you doing to this one, Al?
It's a tyre, mate.
Yeah.
Always love wearing them out. It's a favourite pastime, wear the tyres out, you know. So exhaust off, lift the tank up, you don't take the tank off, pull the rocker box off, unclip the fuel line so it's sapped it off.
Yeah, cool.
Exhaust, throttle body.
This is pretty.
Yeah, I like this.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice.
What have you been doing to it?
Just a service, general service, oils,
Yeah.
spark plug, just a quick look over everything. Well, at least I'll be able to touch the ground.
She's an old girl, this one, 10, 15 years old. I think it just hasn't had much love, you know.
about being a primary, mate? Shit, yeah.
Beautiful. A win. Yay.
Take that. Always take a win.
I'm gonna high five myself.
Back together.
Yeah, nearly there.
What's happening with this one, Matt?
Changing bars. So we've got to unpick the wiring out of the connector.
Yep.
So what we do is take a photo of it first, so we know where it goes.
Good idea.
It saves hours.
What sort of bars they're going with?
I think he's just going with the same bar but black rather than chrome.
Right.
Sorry, that's it. Yeah, that's right. Someone's got to do it.
That's magic.
What happened?
Oil change, mate?
Yeah, just a quick general service on this one.
Right.
Yeah, so spark plugs, oils, filters.
Yeah.
Yeah, all that. And then we just quickly check all like the lights and stuff and give
Yeah.
a clutch adjustment.
Right.
Just inspect the brakes and all that.
Yeah.
And anything that's generally wrong with it, just test the battery and everything like that.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. So we basically just go over the lot.
What are you doing to this one?
We're just replacing the throttle cables on it, so they had a snap throttle cable.
Right.
Yeah, so we're replacing them and we're taking the toe ball off and everything. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful bike.
Yeah, it's a nice old one. Softail Heritage or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you happy with that?
Yeah, he's done a good job. He's dropped it, so it looks a bit of a rake to it now. So that's good.
Yeah, it's perfect, mate.
Yeah, awesome.
I'll tell you, it's a lot easier in real life.